Folks, it's Mr. T here from Eddy Racing on the highway in Sosua, and I'm just like 300 meters up from Texas gas station. Or if you look down here, you've got the Germany Bar and Grill just behind me. So next to Acro Veterinarian, you got Eddy Racing, all types of repairs that you need to your bikes. This is the boss man here, happy man. Hola, Eddie. And he sells motorbikes, he sells scooters, tires, oil, parts.
Mechanic.
Super mechanic, yeah. You've got super mechanics here. A big array of tires, as you can see. Every type of part. It goes way into the back there of different types of parts and sprays and lubes and silicone, I see, mufflers, mags, oil. So Eddy Racing, they're open in normal 9 to 5 kind of hours, probably a little bit later than that, and they'll take good care of your repairs. So Eddie, come down and see this man and his good place. Thank you very much.